Sleeping with your phone next to your pillow is extremely dangerous, and most people do it every single night. You think it's harmless, just keeping it close for comfort or your alarm, but it's a silent attack on your brain and nervous system. When that phone stays inches from your head, it doesn't just sit there. It emits blue light and low-level radiation signals all night long. Even in the dark, your brain senses that stimulation. Blue light suppresses melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's safe to sleep. Radiation exposure, even at low levels, keeps your nervous system slightly alert instead of fully resting. This is why so many people struggle to fall asleep, wake up at 3 a.m., or feel exhausted even after 8 hours in bed. But it gets worse. Your brain never fully enters deep restorative sleep when it detects constant stimulation nearby. That means higher cortisol levels, more wrinkles, more inflammation, and a body that wakes up stressed instead of restored. If this opens your eyes, comment sleep, and I'll share what I tell my sisters to do instead.